Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admission as well as a work from home job PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, I am going to show you one very good news to the PhD aspirants as well as the PhD pursuing candidates. That is here the free online course for the research methodology subject is going on, and you will get the certificate for this one also. Okay, so that it is a UGC well recognized certificate, and once if you got the certificate regarding this free online course of the research methodology, then you need not to appear for the examination in your university. That means in your PhD admitted university or the college. So directly you can take the certificate, and whatever the credits are there for the research methodology pre-PhD coursework, those credits will be automatically transferred to your academic. Okay, so all of you utilize this opportunity and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of thing, and please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this research methodology free online course. Before going into the main content of this video, myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so I think all of you might be aware about this Swayam, guys. Okay, so it is a government organization. So here you may check down the different national coordinators are there. Out of this one, UGC is one of the coordinator for this Swayam. So AICTE, CEC, IGNOU, IIMB, NCERT, NIOS and NITTR, NPTEL as well as the UGC. Fine. So under the Swayam or the NPTEL, so here one research methodology free online course is going to start, guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. Why I am telling, because if you once got certificate from this Swayam, then you need not to write the examination regarding the research methodology in your university or the college. As I told in the starting itself that those credits will be automatically transferred. Okay, so it is a website, guys, research methodology by Professor Banerjee, IISCR Kolkata, and already 1912 learners are enrolled. So enroll as early as possible. For the enrolling purpose, you need to click on the join. So this one, after join, what are the different things you need to enter, I will tell you at the end of this video. So first we will check out course status is upcoming, course type is elective, duration is 12 weeks, starting date is from 24th Jan 2022 and the ending date is 15th April 2022. Examination date is on 23rd April 2022 and the enrollment ends on 31st Jan 2022. Okay, so 31st Jan 2022 is the last date for this one. And who can able to apply for this one is that all the postgraduate candidates, okay, and the PhD pursuing candidates, but because for the PhD pursuing candidates or the PhD aspirants, it is a mandatory course, guys. And whoever the candidates working in the engineering colleges, okay, it is a AICTE approved faculty development program course also. So about the course, this course covers all the conceptual and methodological issues that go into the successful conduction of the research. That includes the philosophy of science, the methodology issues in measurement, proposing and the testing hypothesis, scientific communication and the ethical issues in the practice of science. And coming to the intended audience, this is a compulsory course for all the PhD students as mandated by the UGC. Bachelor's and the master's students interested in pursuing a research career may also take this one. Okay, so utilize this wonderful opportunity. Prerequisites and all these things not at all required. And coming to the course layout, you may check down. So week 1, philosophy of science, that is subjective versus objective, materialism versus idealism and causality, etc. Week 2 is logical reasoning, inductive logic, deductive logic, syllogistic logic, all these things. And week 3, history of development of science and the influence of philosophy. And week 4, what scientists actually do. And week 5, forming a hypothesis. Week 6, techniques of the scientific measurement. Week 7, testing of hypothesis. Week 8, methods of theoretical research. And week 9, the art of scientific communication. And the week 10, presentation in the seminars and conferences. And week 11, sponsored research. And the week 12, ethical conduct in the science. Okay, so these are all the different topics are going to be discussed, guys. and the books and the reference written by the author. So I had written a book titled Research Methodology for Natural Sciences, which is the process of being published by the IASC Press. And the introduction regarding the instructor also, biography regarding the instructor also I checked on. And while coming to the course certificate, here the course is free to enroll and learn, guys. But if you want to get the certificate, means you need to pay the registration fee, but not at the starting. Whenever the registration is announcing, then at the time you have to pay. Okay. So it will be the 1000 rupees, guys, and write the proctored exam conducted by us in person at any of the designated examination centers. Exam is an option. Okay, that means course you can enroll free and you can learn the complete course for free. But if you want to get the certificate, means then you need to write the exam, and the exam is also optional. Okay, and if you once decided to write the exam, you have to pay the 1000 rupees. Date and time of the examinations they clearly mentioned here. So 23rd April, morning 9 to 12 o'clock one session, and afternoon 2 to 5 o'clock is another session. And the registration, all these things, a form is open for the registrations, and the online registration form has been filled and the certification exam fee need to be paid. And criteria to get a certificate is also given here. 25% of percentage of average of best 8 assignments out of the total 12 assignments given in the course, and exam score 75% will be taken. So final score is equal to average assignment score plus examination score. And you will be eligible for a certificate only if the average score is greater than or equal to 10 by 25 and the exam score 30 out of 75 you got. Okay. So all these things, and certificate will have your name, photograph and the score in the final exam with the breakup. It will have the logos of NPTEL and IIT Madras also. It will be e-verifiable, okay, at this website. And only the e-certificate will be made available. Hard copies will not be dispatched. Okay. So these are the details, guys. So the interested candidates may join. So if you want to join, click on this one. Okay. So first of all, you need to sign in or the register, guys. Okay, so if you did not sign in it, if you don't have the account here, so click on the sign up now and then fill up all the details here. And then finally, we'll be provided with the username and the password. So with the help of both these two, you can sign in and then join the course. Okay, so utilize this opportunity and please share this information or the video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, so to get the more updates like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGS NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGS NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGS NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGS NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGS NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGS NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want